The transmission sculpture in Joshua Tree, California, is a unique and thought-provoking art installation that has captivated visitors since its creation in 2015. Located in the high desert landscape near the town of Joshua Tree, the sculpture stands as a testament to human creativity and the enduring relationship between art and nature. The transmission sculpture, designed and created by Morgan Brown and artist Daniel Popper, is a large-scale wire mesh structure that resembles the ghostly outline of a human-like head and hands in a spiritual transcendence pose. The translucent nature of the material allows the sculpture to interact with the surrounding environment, appearing to change form as the light shifts throughout the day. Morgan Brown's inspiration for the sculpture came from the idea of transmission, the passing of information, energy, or light, from one point to another. She stands a majestic 28 feet tall. Fully realized, she is concrete evidence that we are all divine, that we are all one. May we all transmute love, peace, and unity between ourselves, each other, and Mother Nature. That is why she is here at the Mojave Moon Ranch to remind us. The location of the sculpture, set against the vast expanse of the desert and framed by the rugged peaks of Joshua Tree National Park, adds to its evocative power, prompting visitors to contemplate the interplay between the man-made and the natural. In addition to its visual impact, the sculpture has also served as a venue for cultural events and performances, adding an extra layer of meaning to its existence. In addition to its visual impact, the sculpture has also served as a venue for cultural events and performances, adding an extra layer of meaning to its existence. In a place known for its connection to the arts and a spirit of creative expression, the transmission sculpture has become a symbol of the enduring allure of the desert and the human impulse to create and connect. As visitors wander through the landscape surrounding the sculpture, they are invited to reflect on the interplay between form and emptiness, presence and absence, and the ways in which art can serve as a conduit for shared experiences and emotions. The transmission sculpture stands as a testament to the power of art that transcend boundaries and spark dialogue, and it continues to inspire and provoke all who encounter it in the breathtaking setting of Joshua Tree, California. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.